All right, now let's talk about 2-point perspective. Again, I'm gonna start with my eye level, which I'm gonna put kind of up here. My horizon line. And then the difference between 1-point and 2-point perspectives is you have 2 points, 2 vanishing points instead of just 1. And this is what's going to give us that corner kind of view of a building. And we can do this in, in a lot of different ways. Again, verticals will always be vertical. So this could work in a couple different ways. We can have this be one structure. Let's say that this is, one building. And then within this one building, we're gonna have, let's do this. I'm always keeping my ruler kind of hinged at that one point. So I'm always rotating off of that one vanishing point, and then I'm going to rotate over to the other vanishing point. If it slides, make sure you check and look to see if it's sliding, because that's what just happened to me. And we would do the same exact thing over here. So these would be, if we're looking at a city, these could be tiers of, or stories, where we have different levels of windows for offices and whatnot. But it could also be if you're looking at your house and you have, wood boards on the side of your house, this is how they would be angled depending on the perspective that you're looking at. And so would the windows, depending on, where they lie on the vertical sides of the building. We could also throw in, let's say this is a street. Throw in those 2 yellow lines. We could add more buildings. And this is just depending on how tall they would be. I could make one that is maybe further back over here, but even taller. And as we recede into space as well, the building faces are going to appear more and more narrow. So the proportion of this building would be a lot wider in reality than this one because it's farther away, but they're very close on paper. Okay, but now I want to show you something. This building Maybe there's nothing between these two buildings. So we're gonna see the back roof line over here. This building is still gonna have its other vanishing point connect over here. And here, this is gonna go back up to here as well. So now you can see, you know, this is the side facade of this building. How this, even though it's on a different kind of section, still relates to the same exact vanishing points. Let's do another one over here. Oops, I missed. My bad. Okay, now this is gonna come back here. But I only want the building to be that deep. Where does that go? Oh, it's pretty good. So that's how 2-point perspective works. Also, I have it, you know, kind of so that we're almost in the middle. This could be way over here. You know, this could be the whole building. It just depends on what you're looking at, but they always come back to these 2 points.